Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about some of the upgrades we did to our Beacon once we got it. RV snap pads, the Ford Pro Trailer Backup Assist, we installed the Furrion backup camera, and most recently the RV lock. So go ahead and stay tuned, see how we like all that new stuff. Alright, we're going to be installing our RV snap pads. First thing you need to do, throw a little bit of dish detergent along the edges, one at a time. Put that down right there. We just parked here at the RV lot at the storage center, and the first thing I did was installed the RV snap pads. It was actually pretty easy. We got the dish detergent on them all. We lined them up underneath the legs and hit auto level, and they all came down and snapped into place. RV snap pads, highly recommend them. And I've had them on my RV now for about 4 minutes. Highly recommended. This is the Ford Pro Trailer Backup Assist assembly system. Pretty easy installation. All you do is you take the main box and you mount it on your pin hitch. Follow the direction on the arrows, as you can see. And then the cables run down into the bottom pin controller. You got your normal 9-pin connector for your trailer and brakes and everything. And then if your truck is pre-equipped, you've got a separate one for your Pro Trailer Backup Assist cable. Getting ready to back up, press the trailer backup button, and on your screen it tells you to pick which vehicle in case you have multiple trailers. We've named our Beacon Freedom, so there it is. I hit OK. Detects the trailer, and then once I put the truck in reverse, it'll go ahead and activate. It automatically turns on the backup cameras. Now the Furrion backup camera does not come into the Ford system, so once I get that hooked up here, I'll have to be using a special screen for it. So as you can see, it says back up slowly and turn the knob to steer. All controls of the trailer go from here. Watch what happens to the steering wheel.
Okay, now turn, yep.
Ford Pro Trailer Backup Assist. It makes backing up that large fifth wheel a lot easier because you only have to turn the knob in the direction that you want the trailer to move. You're not doing all the spinning of the steering wheel back and forth in order to center yourself up. You still have to work at parking, you still have to get your angles right, and you still have to have your spotter. It just enables you not to have to mess with that steering wheel. It's an option that came with the Ford truck, and I am very happy that we got it. Next, I went ahead and installed the Furrion backup camera system. We got the model with the 7-inch monitor, and for right now, just the rear camera. We can always add on the side cameras later. It really was a simple operation once I was able to locate a ladder tall enough to get to the top of the RV. Because our rig was pre-wired for the Furrion, all I had to do was take out 4 screws, remove the front cap, place the camera in, connect 1 wire, and go ahead and replace the 4 screws. Then all you have to do is sync it up to the screen. It's all synced up. Pretty cool. Very simple, easy, 10-15 minute installation at the most, as long as you're not losing screws. Now just to figure out where I'm going to mount it. I am now going to install the RV lock on our front door lock. These little locks are a pain just in the short time we've had the RV. I don't like it. Lareka said she wanted an RV lock right away. She liked how they looked online, so RV lock, here we go. Looking like all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the 4 screws, take the handle off the side, remove the 2 screws on the strike plate, replace it all. Shouldn't take more than a few minutes. All right, so there's the old lock, and as you can see, the new one slaps right in. So very important. The little deadbolt gets stuck in here. So make sure that you turn that, get the deadbolt out of the way, and then it slides right into place. And then you can close the deadbolt back up, connect the wires, tuck them up under there. So now you just line up the lever, line up the lock, line up the handle, replace your screws. Now the only part about this is on the inside, all the hardware is upside down, even though on the outside it's correct. A little bit of a gap here from where the paint was with the standard, but we'll take some touch-up paint. I've also read that there's some stickers we can put around it, so we'll make that work. All right, let's close it. Let's see how it works. Now all I've got to do is program the electronics, the code, and the remotes, and we're good to go. Locks it up. Unlock. And then we've also got the keypads all programmed. And in case the batteries go dead, it does have the manual override key. The RV lock from RV Lock. We're pretty happy with it so far. So it's been a couple months since we installed the RV lock. And like I said earlier, we've got a little bit of a paint missing here and there, because apparently they install all the hardware, then they paint these things, which I don't understand, but it is what it is. From RV Lock, you can order a decal that will go on behind here. I'll just install this real quick. It's black, and it'll clean this whole thing up and make it look a lot better. All right, it looks a lot better than it did with the paint mishap sticking out, so we'll take it. Bam, there we go. The first labeling of retired road tripping.